Welcome to my Tech Dude YouTube channel. Remaining review of GIZMO Bench Vise. This heavy duty tool promise durability, precision and workspace need to let us see how it is work. The first of I purchased the Amazon in this 1390 rupees only. Now I will unbox this one and open and I will show you step by step. This is the GIZMO Bench Vise. Now I will open this box I purchased in Amazon. After opening this box, this is the GIZMO 5 inches bench vise. This is what are the provided inside in this box. Only this bench vise. This bench vise is must heavy. Weight is heavy. One rod is provided. This bench vise is the bottom plate also provided to rotate this bench vise. You fix this. You lose this. This clamps you can lose it and rotate it. This one is rotating purpose. This is the bench vise is given to bottom rotating plate also. It is. You can locking screws are provided both sides. You observe this side and this side. You can lose it. It rotate 360 degrees. This bench vise is the, now I will check this how much inches are there nearly. This is exactly 5 inches. You observe this. This length was exactly 11 inches. This length was exactly 11 inches. Now I will fixing rod is there is a threading purpose. You can remove this nut and insert this. After that you can tight this nut gently. First stand tight, after that you tight cutting plier or nose plier. This bench vise is the sturdy and weight is much more. It is the back side of this screw threading is the very. You observe this back side of this threading is most useful. You can grease it, oil it. Already is greased. It is rotating freely purpose to move free purpose. Now I will show you this. First rotating this. This is open. You can work any type of work. It is some grips are providing this. Some grip is providing this side. This. Now I will fix this bench vise. First, marking the holes. Marking the walls. After that I will fix. I mark the walls this highlighter in this. I will fix this. Take a 10 mm 2 bolts and double nut to fix this purpose. take 2 inches 10 mm nuts, nut and bolts, and fix it. This first you lose this one. This side is there. You lose this one to rotating purpose 360 degrees. First you lose this one. This side also you can lose. This is rotating 360 degrees. After losing, you can observe this 360 degrees. Observe this. After fixing, I will show you. Now match the holes. Match the holes and insert this screw gently. You observe this. I will insert this one. Perfectly inserted. After that, you can fix this nuts gently. First and tight this one as possible. That much you can tight this one. After that, finally wrench or span or nut driver, you can tight it. Can take pan and tight it gently. Hold upside in the another pana and tight gently. Fully tight. This is machine is heavy, that's why you can tight it. Heavy tight. After tightening finishing, now I will show you how to rotate, how to. Now I will show you. I lose this side nuts gently. It is rotating 360 degrees. Now I will rotate this one 360 degrees. You observe this. This is rotating 360 degrees. Without this plate, you can purchase 1100 rupees only. This one. This is very strong. You cannot shake this much opening after that. Bench vise is opening after this much 2 inches. Now I am opening completely. This much pipe I cannot work. I have only 2 inches is required my work. This is nearly 4 inches. It is coming nearly 5 inches. Output, total output. You can tight this also. You cannot require the rotating of 360 degrees. You can tight this side clamps. Now I will show you after tightening this. After writing, we observe this. Now, this much opening, the bench vise cannot move. It is very steady. It is totally coming 5 inches distance. I will open total. This one. You observe this. No shake. It is nearly coming this. Totally 5 inches. You observe this. You can tight this one. Tight this way. It is very useful. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Clockwise is tightened. Anti-clockwise open the bench vise. This is 1 inch pipe. Now I will tight this one. You observe this. I fully tightened. After tightening this one, now I will file this side. It is very easy. This is very useful to filing, and now I will show a plastic grip also. It is metal grip. I will lose this anti-clockwise. I will tighten this plastic part. Now I will cut. I will take this plastic part. I want to take this pipe cutting. Now I will show you. Very easy to cut. You observe this. It is very clear cutting. I want this much pitch is required to plumbing purpose. It is very useful plumber, welders, DIY project students, and also mechanical and plumbers, welders also. It is very useful. Please subscribe my TechDoor channel. Please like my TechDoor channel. Stay tuned. I will provide this link in my YouTube description. Thanking you. Build quality is the GIZMO Bench Vise is the very good build quality. This one is the very good build quality is there. It is the designing to German known as craftsmanship tool. This one is the German known craftsmanship tool. This one the base of incredible stud and provide a stable foundation clamping task where they're working wood or metal. This vise ensuring grip. This base is also very strong. This one the bench vise is clamping also metal, the pure cast iron metal, rust proof painting also is given, this color coating also. This is a steel clamps are provided. This is adjustable nut also, clamp also, handle also there. This the jaw width size is the length is the 5 inches and width also 5 inches. This one the I have been using this by so rock solid. The build quality is top notch. It has to show sign where dispatch heavy usage. Many users suspected durability and fact of old under the pressures making reliable tool any workshop. This is the overall is the conclusion of this GIZMO Bench Vise is the overall GIZMO Bench Vise lives up to promise beginning professional grade tool. This one the construction, it is pieces of clamping. This clamping are there. You are looking for bench vise. This is combination strength with precision definition. Consider GIZMO Bench Vise. It is a link of description where find GIZMO Bench Vise review. The heavy duty bench vise, the professional work tool also. This one, this is the bench vise woodwork and metalwork bench vise, the durable steel vise precision clamping tool. Between this best bench vise is 2024. The GIZMO Vise features how to use bench vise.